YouTube channel. I am Yashasvi Sangvi, the owner of Anu Art and Craft Studio, Indore. If you are new here, take a second and do subscribe my YouTube channel. As you all know that Friendship Day is arriving soon, so why not make our friends feel special? So today's video is based on a DIY Friendship Day decor. You can make this decor for your loved ones and give them on this upcoming occasion. So stay tuned for the end result.
I am using iCraft chalk paints emerald color, marine blue, sunny yellow and the shade light out. Also we will be requiring a stencil wax brush, a reverse stencil and the home decor stencil by iCraft and the MDF base by Anu Art. I am using magnet bases and some random photographs. So for the first step, I have taken all the three colors in a plate and I will be doing a random mixing on my plank. I just love to play with colors, so I have taken 3 random shades. You can take any shades of your choice. As you can see, I am mixing 3 colors randomly on my plank. As I need a rough and grungy look, I am placing somewhere the tinges of yellow, somewhere the greens and somewhere the blues. Using whichever color less or more is your choice. I am just quickly painting my plank to move further. And we are almost done with the painting of our plank. Once you are done painting the plank, do not forget to paint the sides, bottom, edges, back of your plank wherever the MDF is visible. After giving the finishing to the plank, you need to let it dry. Now once it is dried, I am using my brick reverse stencil, the shade light out, and I am giving some random stenciling to my plank. As you can see by the effect, I am taking very less amount of color onto my brush. The less the color is, the look will be more natural. Make sure you do not block the pattern of the stencil. You have to give the random look just as I am doing. Somewhere on the edges, somewhere at the center of the plank, somewhere the full effect and somewhere the half effect. After doing the stencil part, you have to do the dry brushing with the same light out color. As I am a vintage lover, dry brushing for me is a compulsory element. It makes the project more vintage and more rusty. Now I am taking the stencil and I will be stenciling the quotes on the plank using the sunny yellow color. You can choose any quotation from the stencil whichever you like to place on your plank. You can even adjust your quotations as I am doing in my video. Do not forget, always use one quotation on one plank. Like I am adjusting this, friends make the world beautiful in one single line. You all might be wondering why I have chosen such a light shade to highlight my quotes. Just wait and watch till the end. You will get to know why I have chose the yellow color. Now I am placing the stencil again on the same quotation and I am just shifting a bit and using my light out color. You can see that the yellow color is creating some shadows. So rather than using the regular simple stenciling technique, try giving this shadow effect to your stenciling effect. It enhances your project. You can use this technique on any of your stencil project. I am totally loving this effect. I hope you all are enjoying making this with me. Now once you are done with this, these are the detailed glimpses of the final project till now. Now I am taking the magnet bases. I have taken some random pictures. I will be applying Fevicol to my picture and I will be just placing the picture at the center of my base. Make sure you press nicely to remove all the air bubbles. I'll be repeating the same process with both of the magnets. Now once When I am done with my sticking of the photograph on the magnet base, I am going to paint the rims of my magnet. I'll take the rim of my magnet and I will use the mixture of same 3 shades which I used to paint my plant. Make sure that you paint both the rims in the same manner. Now, when both the rims are ready, just lift up the rim, apply Fevicol on the back of the rim, and we are going to stick this rim on the magnet base. Same procedure to be followed for the second magnet also. And our magnets are ready. Now you can even add back black magnets and use them as separate magnets too. Now I will be applying Fevicol on my magnet base and I will be placing this wherever there is empty space on my plank. Now once we are done with the placing of magnets, I am taking my brick stencil and I will be filling the spaces which are looking empty. I am using the same light out color and wherever there are left spaces on my plank, I will be doing some random stenciling to them. Make sure there is very little color in your brush. I am repeating this again and again because if you have excessive color in your brush, you are going to spoil your project completely. This filling part is compulsory because we want to look our plank in a complete synchronized manner. You can add patches wherever you want to add, like I am doing in the plank. Now I am taking some yellow color and I will be creating a little bit of dry brush look wherever I feel. I am doing this because I want to enhance the dark colored areas. Make sure that you have very little color in your brush because we are on the final finishing on of our plank. Use a very soft hand to do this dry brush effect. You simply have to rub the brush with a very little amount of color. And we are done!
I hope you enjoyed making this DIY wall decor with me. I made this decor for the people close to my heart and I hope you are also going to try it and you are going to gift it to your friends on the upcoming Friendship Day. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also do not forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook handles. Links for the same are in the description box. Thank you for watching.
Think I'll try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired